I recently started playing computer games with my son. That sparked an interest in me to create a game myself that we can play together. This is the beginning of a new series. Hi, my name is Rickard. So, game development. On this channel, I usually talk about my programming projects and various programming related activities, but I never touched on the subject of games. And I'm by no means an expert when it comes to games. I don't even play that much games. But I have enjoyed creating some simple games in the past, like a Tetris clone and some kind of asteroids. I actually was able to restore an old copy of one of my Tetris games and make it work. This is what it looks like. It is written with Python and Pygame, which I also plan to use for the game I create in this series. Will this series be very different from the videos that I usually make on this channel? I don't think so. As the title indicates, I plan to use an Agile methodology to develop this new game. So I imagine a lot of my videos will be about how to test this game, how to apply test-driven development to a game context, and how to develop this game incrementally. The Tetris game that I wrote before has no tests. I developed it all with manual testing. But that was over 15 years ago. I've learned a lot about testing and TDD since, but I've never applied that knowledge to the game context. I suspect much will be the same, but also some things to be different. However, this series will also cover game-related concepts as I learn them along the way. Some topics off the top of my head that I think I will cover are how to come up with an idea for a game, how to draw graphics fast, what resolution should a game use, and how to create a game incrementally, and how to create particle effects. I hope you will enjoy following along on this journey of creating this game. See you in the next episode.